First navigate to the file and click open. Select this first image, press open. Now I want to remove this white background. So open the channels panel, select the blue channel, right click and choose duplicate channel. Press OK. Now unhide this copied channel, hide original channel. Now go to image, adjustments and choose levels. Here adjust these input levels like this. Click OK. Now hold Ctrl button and click on this channel thumbnail for selection. Then select RGB channels. Open the layers panel. Go to select and choose inverse. Now hit the layer mask button below and see the final result. Let's do this with another image. Firstly, double click to open the images folder. Select the second image. Press the open button. Now open the channels panel. Select the blue channel. Right click and choose duplicate channel. Now click OK. Unhide copied channel, hide original channel, then go to image, adjustments and choose levels. Adjust these input levels like this. Press OK. Now hold the Ctrl key and click on the channel thumbnail. Select RGB channels, go to the layers panel, hold the Alt key and click the mask button below. Let's see the final result.